If you've noticed your fish floating on its side or lying still at the bottom of the tank, you may worry that your pet has passed away. However, it's not always so easy to tell. To be sure, try to scoop your fish up in an aquarium net. If it starts to wiggle or try to swim away, then your fish is still alive. It may have been feeling sick or even just resting. You can also look for signs that your fish is breathing. For most fish, you can tell by looking at the gills. If they're moving, your fish is still alive. Some species, such as bettas and labyrinth fish, breathe by gulping in air at the surface with their mouths instead. Another way to tell if your fish is dead or close to death is to look at its eyes. If they appear sunken or cloudy, your fish is likely dead or dying. On the other hand, if the eyes look bright and clear, it is probably still alive. If your fish has jumped out of the tank, don't panic. If you catch it and put it back in the water soon enough, it may recover. However, examine the fish's scales before you put it back in the tank. If the fish is very still and its scales are dried out or beginning to crack, the fish has probably already died. Dealing with a dead pet can be tough, but it's a good idea to remove the fish from the tank right away if you can. If you're sure your fish is dead, scoop it out of the tank and bury the body or throw it away in the garbage. Don't flush the fish down the toilet, since doing so can be harmful to the native fish in your area.